Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? So guys, you know I'm from Jamaica, and when we were in the country, we have jackfruit tree load. Alright guys, jackfruit are bear down a root up a top all over. And guys, them your jackfruit over here. Look at this. Our jackfruit big and juicy. Yeah, big pegs. But anyhow guys, I bought this in the supermarket. Where is that? Jackfruit. Can you see it? So you know, see, I'm a Jamaican jackfruit this, but anyhow, jackfruit are jackfruit, and I'm gonna use this to make some jackfruit smoothie. Yes, just $1.98, not bad. And with my jackfruit, I'm gonna add some almond milk there, and about a teaspoon of honey, a little bit of natural ginger, yes, and some crushed ice. All right, I'm gonna show you how to cut out the jackfruit and take out the pegs. All right guys, get a bowl or a dish. Look on the little piece of jackfruit, man. Wow. Anyhow, I'm gonna rinse it off because I don't know what they used to cut it, so I'm just gonna rinse off this outer part and then I'll come back. Alright guys, so I rinse it off. Now, in order to cut jackfruit, if it was a whole jackfruit, you want to cut it down the middle and then you cut it up. Alright, but this is just a little piece, so look at it. It has like a piece for the inside. You want to cut that off. Alright. And all you want to do, you just want to break it apart like this. So this is what we're going to use. Alright. Now you want to take it apart. Ooh, not wasting this little one. Take out the little one first. Look at the goodness. Ooh, smells good too. Break it out guys and take off the little pieces of it. You can use your finger and open it like this, and there you have the seed. Don't throw away the seed, you know guys. You can boil the seed and you can eat it. Yummy. Just take it out of the covering. Let me show you. I only have two, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but this is the seed. You can boil it with some salt, a little bit of oil, and you can eat it. So we're gonna put that back there, and this is it. This is what we're gonna use. Sometimes you have the piece of coating of the jackfruit seed leaf inside. Go ahead and take it out. We don't want that. And that's it. So this is the part we're going to use to make the smoothie, and we're just going to cut it just in small pieces. I wash my ginger real good. I'm going to use the skin and all, and I'm just going to make a little bit of cuts. Ooh, that will do. I'm going to put my ginger first because it's the hardest to blend. I'm going to add my jackfruits. You can add a banana to this if you want, guys. About a teaspoon of honey. It's good. I'm gonna add about half cup of almond milk. You can use yogurt or regular milk. I'm gonna go in with some ice. And now guys, we're just gonna cover this bad boy and we're gonna blend. All right. Woo. Can you see this, guys? All right, let's pour some in. I put some lemon juice and then I add a little bit of sugar. All right. me see if I can pour this in. Look at the goodness, guys. So refreshing and nice. Here goes. That's the goodness right there. I'm just gonna add a straw. Wow, so smooth, refreshing, and delicious. So guys, that's it. That's my jackfruit smoothie. Tasty. Woo. There it is. All right guys, love upon me and I love upon you. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed. Why Jamaican people can make something but then taste nice. All right guys, bye. Guys, this is me drinking it after, okay? I'm gonna taste it for you. My goodness, guys, the ginger in it, oh, heaven. Oh God, it's so refreshing and cool. Oh, spicy with the ginger. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm a food lover. The freshness of the jackfruit and the ginger. Guys, come and get you some. Let me taste a little bit more. I'm gone. All right, guys. May I brain freeze? Drink it too fast. All right, guys. Love upon me and I love upon you. So good. Try it, guys, and tell me how you like it. Make it just as this. You can put a little squeeze of lime or lemon juice in it too, guys. Wow. Bye, guys.